Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play FIFA 24 on your PlayStation 5 using a PlayStation 4 controller. This is the only way to do it. You might be surprised to learn that directly connecting a PlayStation 4 controller to play PlayStation 5 versions of games like FIFA 24 is not natively supported for gameplay. However, there is a clever workaround that allows you to enjoy your favorite football game with your preferred controller. We will walk through the simple steps to get you playing in no time. The key to this setup is leveraging PlayStation Remote Play. First, you will need to download the free Remote Play application onto a compatible device, such as a computer, smartphone, or tablet. Make sure your PlayStation 5 console is fully updated and connected to a stable internet connection. Then, pair your PlayStation 4 controller with this secondary device using Bluetooth. This creates a bridge, allowing your PlayStation 4 controller to send inputs through the Remote Play app to your PlayStation 5. Once the Remote Play app is installed and your controller is paired, open the application. You will need to sign in with the same PlayStation Network account linked to your PlayStation 5. The app will then search for and display your PlayStation 5 console. Select it to initiate the connection. Your PlayStation 5 screen will now be mirrored on your secondary device, and your PlayStation 4 controller will be ready to send commands to the console through the Remote Play interface. With Remote Play successfully connected, simply navigate to and launch FIFA 24 on your PlayStation 5 as displayed on your secondary device. Your PlayStation 4 controller, connected to that device, will now seamlessly control the game. For the best experience, ensure both your PlayStation 5 and the Remote Play device have a strong, stable internet connection, ideally wired for the PlayStation 5, to minimize any input lag or visual delays during your matches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.